$2 each or 3 for $5.
English tokens, okay. And how much are your poker chips?
Depends on which batch. They're different sizes. I think those are all clay.
I feel like it.
But
Women's Day. Christmas stockings and cross stitch. Decorating and craft ideas. Let me see how much this is.
I will. Absolutely.
How much for these?
Whatever you want to give me. And let me tell you something. I got more of that where that's come.
Oh, do
and
you?
look, this one right here.
Yeah.
It's like I'm a magazine nut.
Really?
I love this magazine. It had so many great ideas in it.
The Women's Day, yeah.
Do you know when I first started cleaning out this one
1978.
property, I and magazines are my thing.
Oh, really?
Okay, they're my thing. So it's very hard
Yeah.
for me to get rid of magazines. I mean, I clutch them. All this other stuff, I'm like, go.
Okay.
But
I found
those
your,
right there-
your niche.
But how about $2?
$2, I could do that. Sure.
Yeah. I used to go in the
So do you have any of like the old toy catalogs from JCPenney? You know, that sort of stuff?
Let me write you down on my thing because actually I do.
Oh, really?
And the only reason why I save them is because I do the little button badgement thing.
Okay.
And I would go through and find some of these really cool ads and
Yeah.
make the buttons.
Ah, that's cool. Yeah, make like little vintage looking buttons.
And so,
Yeah, if you had those, I'd be interested in
But
them.
yes, let me do that because I have what was
Old
called the
Sears catalogs,
Roebuck,
yep, all
where
those,
you could
yeah.
wish list from
Okay.
72.
Wow, that's awesome. That's
so
here or
let-
you have it somewhere else?
I have it on the property, but you got to understand, I do this for a living, and I have 5 barns slammed full of stuff, and I've overworked myself this last time with extending myself out that I'm not even really. I need to take this off. And me, I mean, I've done eBay for so many years. Got over 900 sales just in eBay, 400 in Etsy. I mean, I could go on and on and on. Right now, I'm not at that place where I want to.
That's a lot of work, yeah, to manage all that.
Right
Yeah.
now, I like to just find a person, and I like to be able to give them good stuff for like $1.
Yeah, I like to buy stuff for $1. But yeah, action figures is my favorite. But I
the
do love
Sears-
old catalogs,
But the
yeah.
Sears catalog.
Because they have the action figures in them.
Yes, they do. And when I was a little child, they would always give us the Sears catalog, and me and my
Yep.
sister would play the game like, if we had $5,000,
What would you buy?
What would you buy?
Yeah.
And we'd like make our list out and everything. And then our daddy would come along and he'd be like, if I can guess this. I mean, we made games out of imaginary. You
They
know?
were fun. They were like a thing in themselves. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Dave.
Yeah.
710. What did I charge you for that pile? 40.
Good morning.
Morning, how
So
are
that's
you?
15.
Good, how are you?
Good.
Okay. Which gives you 40. This file's 15 and each box is up to 25. You got to pay you 16.
Hey, NC Picker.
Hey. Good, how are
A
you?
lot of old stuff, my friend.
Yeah, not my specialty, but probably good. Shel Silverstein,
Yeah.
that's cool. What are these?
She's good to go.
You want to wrap your glass, Mom? Anything over there I can carry that's heavy.
It's not heavy, it's colors.
And if you want to back up in the driveway to it. Oh no, those tools aren't for sale.
Oh, no, sir.
One's behind and the one on the pegboard.
Okay.
No, that's my tools. So.
Don't want to do it.
And he gave all his tools. Watch out for yourself. But anyone wants an Oriental rug, they're for sale.
Steered me wrong, bro. I got the sturdiest spots.
And that's why they're organized and the rest of this is a mess. That's my stuff.
Oh, you're gonna put the mess on somebody else, eh?
What's my parents?
Oh, see that one?
They're downsizing their house.
Oh,
That was
okay.
my ultimate goal when I built the shop behind the company. One whole wall.
I always wanted to have my tools ready.
Still can't find it.
I can't deal with it.
Like you always got doubles and triples of everything.
Yeah, well, I got all my grandpa's. Yeah, that's it. I got my dad. I had already.
How much are these cars?
Make a pile and I'll tell you how that sounds.
Okay.
Tiny tots.
Yeah. Tootsies, right? Isn't that what they're called?
What?
Tootsie Toys or something? Yeah.
Yeah, I think they are Tootsies.
How much are those?
How many you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
$2.
$2. Okay, deal. Handy $2? Or do I go up there?
Give them to the man up there. Just tell
Okay.
him $2. Go after this man. I worried about that the other day when I unpacked it. I can't tell you.
Wax? Beeswax?
I'm pretty sure. Yes.
The Tom Clark's $7. $5. They're not really worth buying. I mean, there's some, but most aren't worth it. $10. David Winter Cottages. Pass.
In that bookcase on your right.
The Briars.
What was it? You don't know either? No, I mean, he may never know what it was. He buys stuff. Okay, that's a good. To be honest. Yep. Yes, ma'am. I think I can take 10 for that one. 17. That's fine. Do you need help carrying it? Okay. That's the size she needs.
Dinos. Those are cool.
It's not the biggest thing, but I'm like,
How much are these horses and dragons, or dinosaurs, sorry?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6.
$6 plus 2, so I'm at $8. Cool. I'll do that too. You don't have like a little bag, do you?
Actually,
A Walmart bag or
the
something?
box of your choice is right behind there. We
Okay.
got tape up at that desk.
Okay, cool.
There's paper if you need to wrap something.
All right. Such.
Complaining, I'm just.
No, I don't want it to come apart.
You said you're not selling anything in your Tupperwares over there?
Huh?
You're not selling the stuff in your Tupperwares?
Oh, that's all my adventure.
That's your fun stuff? Yeah. It looks like fun stuff.
If you look, see, it's labeled by what it is.
That's
so
like,
it's-
those are actual places you went those years and like things you
Yes.
collected? Oh, cool.
I've been to like every major league park, so
That's neat.
it's kind of everything,
Yeah.
as you can see.
Your lunchbox for sale?
No.
No. So that's all the stuff I want but can't buy.
Yes. Unless it's the tools over there or the tools over there, and you can't buy them or my magnets.
Are those beeswax?
Yes.
Interesting.
That's a whole box of beeswax. That's a whole box of beeswax.
Weird.
And there's little beeswax ones somewhere.
Interesting.
Yeah. $10 for both. And the box for that is that 2 plastic things in that is the box. So the tree will go in that box. Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, I'm mostly hunting for toys, seeing if there's any other ones I can find.
I think there were a few other little toys somewhere.
I'll keep looking.
There's not much.
Yeah, it's alright. This is actually a Tootsie toy too.
I think my niece took some of the plant stands a little bit.
Okay. What about if I...
You want
Sorry.
the whole box?
Yeah, what if I just get the whole box? We were at 2 for these ones, so what if I just did the whole thing?
You go $10?
Yeah, that's about what I was thinking. Okay. 10 and we were at 6, I think. 1 per. Yeah, 10 plus
Yeah.
6, 16 bucks. Okay.
16.
Thank you.
These are kids' dominoes, but they're ancient.
Be
careful.
Thing.
Well, no, I was gonna say underneath that top might fly open and then it'll fall out.
These
So
giant
basically,
mugs
now
are
the
cool.
nutcrackers just kind of depends on which
Like the
one.
middle.
2 metal ones,
Christmas stuff.
$10 for both. Don't get your eyes on my Flintstones.
I already got it. I already got my eye on it.
Imagine, this is my parents. They've downsized their house from huge to nothing.
What are these?
I don't know. Ask my dad.
Okay, yeah.
But
Never
they're,
seen something like that.
I think they're chalk.
Hmm.
There's like hundreds of them.
Hmm.
I need to put them up there with him.
Yeah, yeah. It's
But-
interesting.
Do you want to take one up and ask him?
Yeah.
I'll go up and ask him and see what he wants a piece.
Yeah, I was wondering if they're like a brand or something.
I think they came as a premium in something a long time ago.
Ah, interesting. You're fine.
You get that line from anywhere. No, did you see like when my dad has a pacemaker and he can't run a gas chainsaw because of the pacemaker, so he had to go to electric. So they are apparently some kind of English
Mm-hmm.
tokens. $2 each or 3 for 5.
English tokens. Okay. And how much are your poker chips?
Depends on which batch. They're different sizes. I think those are all clay.
I feel like it.
$6. Okay. How many more I'm telling you? I'm trying to remember. I got it. What you got there? Prayers for $4. My dad priced this stuff years ago, and it's been back and forth to show, so the price means nothing. Okay. Ignore all prices. $3. And none of them had them.
I thought you were in South Carolina.
What's that?
I thought you were in South Carolina.
No, north.
15.
I've seen your videos a lot.
You might be thinking of Harry Tornado.
No,
He's
I
in
know
South.
both of them.
Okay, yeah.
I
Gotcha.
thought you were in South Carolina, so I know you're right.
Yeah,
No,
NC,
you're right,
NC picker. Yeah, and then he's
No, I
South
thought you
Carolina.
were
He's
farther than us. I wasn't thinking you'd be that close.
no, right in the area. I actually work in Cary.
Yeah?
My day job, yeah.
I live in Chapel Hill. I had no idea. Like,
Yeah.
I am like, he's got to be really far from me when he's finding all this nice stuff.
Nah, dude, it's around. You just gotta go to enough places. There's some cool stuff here for sure. Looking at
If you
these.
have the time to look for them. I don't always have the time.
Yeah, well, exactly. Yeah, you gotta hit a lot of places.
And I had to see videos like yours so I can learn about them. And I saw a lot. I bought a lot of trust.
And yeah, the back
A lot of what?
A lot of trust stuff that
Okay.
I gave like a donation or very free
Oh, okay.
to people so I can just
Yeah.
go away.
Oh,
I
trash
took
stuff.
my
Yeah.
money back, so but I don't want to see them again. I don't want to mess again with them. So I'm just
Yeah.
trying to be more careful. I took my lesson.
See, like this. Look at this. It's like antique.
7.
That looks similar to this, doesn't it?
I'll give you a
It
box.
looks pretty much, yeah.
And that's just for one.
Hang on.
I mean, I don't know how fast they sell, but it's
Isn't
interesting.
writing anything underneath it?
Hmm.
An age.
I see, like, here's a
or
lot of
on
them.
the box.
No, that's why it's antiques are hard to learn. That's the problem.
I have to find out if they are real or not.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
if somebody finds they're not, they're gonna send it back and you're gonna be in trouble.
Exactly. Yeah. I don't know. It's like those are cool too. Those are clay poker chips. But I don't know. I'm trying to just Google it or eBay.
I avoided this site because I'm getting rid today a whole pile of board games and stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was just
Yeah.
buying stuff.
That happens.
What?
I might just do it.
It's a rope bed.
These two?
15 bucks.
15 bucks. Okay. Well, I'm at 16. Can we do 30 total?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
You're such a deal.
Yeah. Even Stevens. 30 bucks. Okay. I'm out then.
Then you're fine. See the man up there.
Thank you, sir.
You're good.
Hello. I'm at $30.
All right.
Right. 20 and a 10. There you go, sir. A very cool collection.
Good day.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, appreciate it, guys. You have a good one. Hey, guys, thanks for coming with me to that yard sale. I hope you enjoyed it. Actually, there was a few. But obviously, the big one was that last one where they had so many antiques, and I really feel like I left a lot of money on the table. I just don't know antiques well enough yet. I am getting there, but I know those dominoes I could have picked up. And here's another thing. That guy's prices on all the stuff were really high. And so I wasn't going to buy any of it. And then I hear him say after, like, I'm almost done, hey, prices are not really what they're marked. They're much cheaper. Just make me an offer. It was already kind of too late. I had left the mindset, but he had all those Tom Clarks. And while Tom Clarks aren't great to flip, if you can get them for $1 a piece, they are decent. So they were individually priced like $10, $5, $15. But I kind of wish I had gone over to him and said, hey, how much for all these Tom Clark gnomes? Maybe he would have said 20 bucks. And then they would have been a great buy. So missed opportunity there. I got a bunch of Tootsie cars. Those I often sell for $5 plus a piece, depending on which ones I get. Hopefully I got some really good ones in there that are worth a lot of money, but I haven't gone through them yet. I got a ton of clay poker chips. I don't know anything about these, but I know I've heard they're good. I tried comping them there, and it seemed like one had sold for 10 bucks. Which, if these are worth 10 bucks a piece, I mean, geez, I can like retire because I have like 400 of them. It's like $4 grand. But I don't know. What I did is, as a test, is I took 5 of them and listed them for 25 bucks. And we'll see if they sell for 25 bucks for 5. Then I have several $100s worth of profit. Make sure you subscribe to NC Flipper, my second channel, and we'll figure out if that actually works out for me. I'm not sure yet, but we shall see. But yeah, a lot of fun, a lot of cool stuff. Let me know in the comments, what did I miss? I want to learn more about antiques, and you guys could help me in the comments below. Just let me know what I definitely should have picked up. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, click that like button, and click here to see the next video.